Hey everybody, this is Ori from OneScales. In today's video, I want to introduce a very cool, quick tool by Cloudflare, which is their speed test. As many of you know, there's a lot of different speed test websites out there that help check your speed of your internet connection, either if you're on your phone or your home internet. What I like about this is it actually gives you a lot more information than just the download and the upload speed, which most of you guys are aware of it, right? And the important thing is it gives you more information about potential issues or stability issues with your connection. So what I want to do, I want to just show it to you. It'll take 1 or 2 minutes, and then hopefully you guys enjoy it. If not, let me know if you have a better solution. We're always here to learn as well from you guys. Okay, so what I did is I basically went to speed.cloudflare.com. You can see, for example, if I go here, I go speed.cloudflare, and I'll start testing. I'll start testing my speed and my upload and everything. And it'll give me some information. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually go back here because I've already done it, and it'll take about 1 minute or so. And now the things you're probably aware of are the download speed. For example, I have 100 megabits per second, and my upload is 37.9, not bad at all. And I get some additional information. So latency is how long does it take to travel from basically my internet connection to the nearest Cloudflare server. So latency is pretty good, especially you guys know it if you're gamers or stuff like that. It's very important. Jitter is a very important thing, which is how stable is it to send the packet or send the data from us to the other server and come back, and how stable is it over time, over the whole time it's testing. So the lower number, the better. And how much packet loss? Is any data while it's sending from your computer to the next server, is there anything lost on the way? This will help you debug maybe your Wi-Fi connection has a problem, or maybe your interconnection has a problem, or your router or something like that. These are very important things. I like to look at jitter and packet loss, especially if my internet seems a little weird, sometimes working, sometimes it's not. In general, it gives you a score: video streaming good, online gaming great, video chatting good, not bad. And then it'll tell you where it's tested from, and it'll give you some additional information: latency during the download, during the upload, how many packet loss. Obviously I didn't lose any packets, so no data got lost when sending, which is obviously very important. And then the details, not just the totals, but also it'll give you the details here about the small file downloads, the bigger file downloads, the bigger, and then uploads as well. That's it. It's really, really simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have a better tool. Let me know if you liked it. Some of you guys are not aware of this and you know other speed test tools. I really like Cloudflare's products. This is another good product. It's simple, it works. As always in this channel, if you have any questions about speed tests, about Cloudflare, about web, about anything we talk about, please comment in the comment box on YouTube channel. Come to our website, ask on our articles, wherever you can reach us at. Ask us questions. We're here to answer, to gain more information, to learn from you guys, and to contribute to you guys to knowledge and making things more efficient and better. Much appreciated. If you liked it, please subscribe. Please share with a friend. Like it. Tell us you're here. Tell us what you like, what you didn't like, and we're here to improve all the time. Thank you very much.